ऑडियंस अदिति ऑडियंस, आज हम टियर रैंक करने वाले हैं ऑल द वेब शोज टीवी शोज दैट आई हैव सीन इन दिस ईयर 2020. पहला है शेमलेस. I don't know if you're aware about the show. I came across this show back in 2018. Somebody recommended me the show and once I started watching, इतना जबरदस्त, इतना बढ़िया. Okay, so ये I think ये पहले UK का show था and then it got adapted to the US version of it where this like 7-8 kids live together without mom and dad south side of Chicago. एकदम बहुत पूरा गरीब घर से होते हैं लोग and कैसे survive. Just it's so good. It takes you through a roller coaster of emotions. I'm here for it, like absolutely here for it. Season 11 चल रहा है, मतलब they must be doing something right कि season 11 चल रहा है. I think for now I want to put it in the BAP category because the show is actually that good. Next up is The 100. Again, one of the most amazing shows that I have seen. उसका last season ये साल खत्म हो गया and उसका ending was इतना ज़बरदस्त. लाइक आई कुड नॉट हैव गेस्ड और प्रिडिक्टेड कि इसका एंडिंग ऐसे हो सकता है, ऐसा हो भी सकता है. एंड इट जस्ट ब्लू माई माइंड कि उन्होंने ऐसे एंड किया. कुछ 6 या 7 सीजन है इसके एंड एवरी सीजन दे हैज समथिंग अपिंग द लास्ट सीजन. एंड लास्ट सीजन वॉज लाइक मेरा दिमाग उड़ गया, एब्सोल्युटली ब्लोन. आई थिंक पुट दिस इन रुला दिया पगले. Like it was good. It was actually good. I might change it later on. Next up here, A Suitable Boy. If you've seen it, I don't know. I want your all honest opinion. क्या लगता है आपको? Have you all seen it? What do you think about it? I feel like the book. I started reading it, but the book, Vikram Seth की book इतनी 1000 पेज की book है. When I started it and I left the book. But I've seen the web series as soon as it was launched in UK alongside UK, and it just fell flat for me. I had so much expectation out of the show कि भाई ये ज़बरदस्त होगा, बढ़िया होगा. Because okay, so ये historic fiction है. Suitable boy, मम्मी लड़की के लिए लड़का ढूंढ रही होती है post independent India में. And this woman, Lata, she's confused कि उसको करना है नहीं करना है शादी. So that एंड इस पर कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी हो गई थी बाय द वे इंडिया में, जहाँ पे उसने किस किया था कबीर दुरानी को. एंड वो जो लेक जो एरिया में किया था, इट वॉज नॉट, आई थिंक दे डिड नॉट हैव द परमिट फॉर दैट एंड इट्स जस्ट इलीगल टू किस, आई थिंक रिलीजियस होली प्लेस में. आई डोंट नो, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड इट वॉज इन न्यूज. बट ओवरऑल आई लव द प्रोडक्शन डायरेक्शन. आई थिंक आई विल जस्ट पुट दिस इन ठीक ठाक फॉर नाउ. नेक्स्ट अप है बेबी सिटर्स क्लब. ओके, ये it's a book. First of all, Babysitters Club is a book जहाँ पे ये लोग सब 13-14 साल के बच्चे सिट करते हैं बच्चों को. दे लुक आफ्टर द किड्स. एंड I'll put this in ठीक ठाक category personally for me because American culture I'm not as well versed as any Indian title. So Babysitters Club में भी रुला दिया पगले में डाल दूँ मैं, मे बी, क्योंकि एक्चुअली अच्छा था वो. नेक्स्ट अप है बैड बॉय बिलियनर. वो आई थिंक इसमें तीन ही एपिसोड्स है, राइट? द वन दैट आई वॉच आई एक्चुअली रिमेंबर नीरव मोदी का. इट वाज सो गुड. आई एक्चुअली वांटेड देम टू पुश अ लिटिल बिट फर्दर, डिग डीपर, बिकॉज अगर जेन्युइनली अगर कुछ इतना कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल होता तो न्यूज़ में पक्का आ जाता. एंड इट डिड नॉट मेक द न्यूज़ एज लॉन्ग एज आई रिमेंबर. आई पुट दिस इज ठीक ठाक कैटेगरी में, बैड बॉय बिलियनर. इट्स नॉट बैड, इट्स अ गुड डॉक्यूमेंट्री. इट्स जस्ट आई थिंक आई एक्सपेक्टेड मोर आउट ऑफ इट. या नेक्स्ट अप है भाग बीनी भाग. ओके, दिस इज स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. बस कीजिए, बहुत हो गया. दिस स्पेसिफिक शो आई वाज लाइक this was just absolute flat for me. I don't know क्या बोल रहा आपने देखा है. I don't know, I did not like भाग बीनी भाग. It was time pass बोलेंगे, you know, just trash show that you ate and you just wanted to spit out. The only good thing about this was machhar. The only good thing about the show was like it was 30-minute long and the only good hilarious punches that came out were from this lady's dad. And the dad was he was like the proper dad you can imagine yourself having. And yeah, next up है Big Mouth. Okay, this ये बोलने का भी नहीं है, दिस विल गो इन द बाप कैटेगरी बिकॉज ये शो इतना बढ़िया किसने बनाया, लाइक ओ गॉड, these kids going through puberty and के puberty monsters आते हैं, हार्मोन मॉन्स्टर आते हैं, एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, सेल्फ हार्म एंड ऑल ऑफ द हार्मोनल चेंजेस इन फीलिंग्स दैट यू फील, हर एक चीज का मॉन्स्टर होता है ये शो में. एंड द करंट सीजन जो ये साल रिलीज हुआ, द सीजन जस्ट टुक टू नेक्स्ट लेवल बिकॉज इतना फनी इनटू 10x कर दिया उन्होंने. आई डोंट नो, लाइक फर्स्ट टू आई थिंक पहले 2-3 सीजन वो ओके, द करंट सीजन राइट नाउ जो हुआ, इतना बढ़िया स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग, लाइक द मॉन्स्टर्स आर लाइक हाँ हमारे डायरेक्टर ने प्रोड्यूस किया, एंड जस्ट द कॉमिक टाइमिंग ऑफ एवरीथिंग एंड रियलिटी चेक्स जो दे रहे हैं वो लोग कंटिन्यूसली. देयर वाज लिजिट एपिसोड वेयर दे गो टू 2056 और समथिंग एंड वेयर दे टॉक अबाउट यू नो कुछ नहीं रहेगा दुनिया में एंड दुनिया तबाह हो जाएंगी एंड यू नो जस्ट इट जस्ट फेल्ट टू रियल एंड एक्चुअली हो सकता है. एंड जस्ट द शो इज सो ब्यूटिफुली, डिड आई मेंशन इट्स एनिमेटेड? इट्स animated, god. Next up, the Big Bang Theory, bap, for sure. If there are 2 shows that I can watch if the season ends and rewatch it, it's like my 3rd or 4th time rewatching the Big Bang Theory and I'm still not bored. ऐसे shows बाप category में ही जाते हैं for sure. I think I'll move Shameless to रुला दिया पगले because I don't think I can rewatch Shameless again and again. I don't think so. Shameless ठीक है रुला दिया पगले में, but Big Bang Theory is that good. I don't have to further explain it. Next up, Class of 2020. I'll just put this as I think not even बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया, not even that. I think मारो मुझे मारो. I have wasted a lot of my time behind Alt Balaji's content. Yes, I went there, I saw the show. I accidentally, due to my current job, I did accidentally come across a few Alt Balaji shows. And their subscription was also very cheap and I was like, let's subscribe and see to Alt Balaji, and they had like 2 or 3 shows. I'll talk about it. Class of 2020, I don't remember, I don't want to even talk about it. Let's just put it in trash. No offense to people who like it, just my personal opinion. Dash and Lily, Christmas cutesy book turned into TV show, cute. I'll put this as ठीक ठाक. I don't think I will ever watch it. Might as well, you know, बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया. I don't, it's just too cheesy for me. I won't watch it ever again. Once it's done, okay, it's done. My next guest, David Letterman का show है ये. I accidentally came across the show because of Shah Rukh Khan. He was interviewing Shah Rukh Khan. I was like, नहीं मेरे को तो देखना ही है. And then I ended up watching it, and then I ended up watching Kim Kardashian on the show. And I'll just put this currently into Rula Diya Pagle because he is actually that good. Next up है Emily in Paris. I'll just put this as ठीक ठाक. I can rewatch it, but I might not rewatch it. I don't know. She's cute. उसका खुद का ही शो है, खुद ने प्रोड्यूस डायरेक्ट किया है कुछ तो भी, एंड खुद ही उसमें लीड में है. एंड जस्ट I think just for the vibe of it, I'm just gonna put it at ठीक ठाक. But overall, it was meh, okay. Next up, the big flower fight. Holy cow. Yes. I'm here for it. Big flower fight. Rula Diya Pagle. This show is about these people fighting, having a face-off. बहुत सारे उनको फूल दिए जाते हैं एंड हर एक एपिसोड का कैटेगरी होता है कि उनको अंडर वाटर एनिमल्स बनाने हैं ये फूलों और झाड़ श्रब्स वटेवर से, या एक ड्रेस बनाना है, गाउन बनाना है एक फूलों से. देख के समझेगा आपको, इतना बढ़िया शो है. नेक्स्ट अप, FOMO शॉर्ट्स. यस, आई एम हियर फॉर इट. आई एम हियर फॉर द बानी गुरबानी का प्लॉट लाइन. शी इज gay character in this 4 female friendship show, and I'm here for her. Like, uska, the only story plotline that I'm actually interested in is the Bani ka, and it's so good. Like, सो तो वो 4 लड़कियों में से एक लड़की ऐसी होती है जो स्टैंड अप में चली जाती है, स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी में चली जाती है. एंड अब मेरे को याद आया कि भाग बीनी भाग क्यों मेरे को याद दिलाता है, मेरे को FOMO शॉर्ट्स प्लीज की याद दिलाता है वो, बिकॉज उसमें एक कैरेक्टर होता है जो स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी में चला जाता है, एंड देन भाग बीनी भाग ऑल्सो डज द सेम, शी बिकम्स अ कॉमेडियन. उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा याद आ गई मुझे. बट FOMO शॉर्ट्स एक्चुअली सो वेल थॉट आउट, ब्यूटिफुली डायरेक्टेड. वो जो एक्टर्स जो भी है, मंजे हुए खिलाड़ी है, एक्टर्स भी इतने 10 साल से प्रॉब्ली इंडस्ट्री में एक्टिंग है, ज़बरदस्त. आई रियली लव्ड इट. नेक्स्ट अप, फ्रेंड्स. ये बोलना ही नहीं है, बाप कैटेगरी डाल दो. नेक्स्ट अप है फुल हाउस. ठीक ठाक बोलूँगी. आई थिंक दिस इज अ सटल नोट टू मी गोइंग टू सैन फ्रांसिस्को, बिकॉज ये शो सैन फ्रांसिस्को में बेस्ड है एंड मैं वहाँ पे थी एंड मैंने देखा, एंड दैट्स अबाउट. ठीक ठाक फनी शो, जस्ट बैकग्राउंड में कुछ चलना चाहिए तो चल रहा है टाइप. सो दैट. Okay, next up is Get Organized. I love organization shows, and this was actually really good. Like, I'll put this in Rula Diya Pagle, because they basically show you how to organize and categorize everything whatever you've seen, everything in category mein, color coordinated, yeah, name coordinated, and the ladies go to all the big celebrities ke house, and you get to look into the wardrobe and just organize. The organization part of it, closet, pantry, ghar, jo bhi area hai, kids clothing, whatever, just so good. It is so good. Unke Instagram are like lust worthy, so good. Next up, Glow Up, another competition show. I will put this into Rula Diya Pagle, because again I loved this. I think it was season 2, was so good. Every episode so good. Next up, Hockey Girl. Put this in Theek Tak. Because I personally don't remember how it ended. I love that these hockey girls, हॉकी टीम में 5 लड़कियां होती है, 5 या 6, आई एम नॉट श्योर, और उनके हर एक की स्टोरी बताते हैं, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई लव द शो सो मच. मोस्ट कंट्रोवर्शियल टाइटल एवर मेड, दैट इज इंडियन मैच मेकिंग. आई जस्ट स्ट्रेट अप विद दिस, मारो मुझे मारो. ट्रैश. So much anger after watching the show. So much anger. Can't even. Okay. Next up, iZombie. I think ये साल I think खत्म हुआ early this year. ये इसका सीजन खत्म हो गया. 6 साल सीजन थे, ऐसे कब खत्म होगा ये, कब खत्म होगा. And then it actually ended. I'll put this as बस कीजिए, बहुत हो गया, because honestly I was so exhausted and tired. This lady becomes a zombie. She drinks a drink and some chemical she mixes together and she drinks it accidentally, and वो zombie बन जाती है, and she scratches somebody and there's this zombie party. सब zombie बन जाते हैं party में, and it's messed up, but it's funny, it's good. Next up, Julie and the Phantoms, I believe. I'm just gonna put this as trash tier. मारो मुझे मारो. इतना मतलब 5 या 6 एपिसोड आए, कब खत्म होगा फॉरवर्ड किए जा रहे हैं. आई फील लाइक आई एम टू ओल्ड. द टारगेट डेमोग्राफिक इज यंग टीन, एंड आई फील लाइक आई एम टू ओल्ड फॉर दिस शो. Kim's Convenience. I put this in Rula Diya Pagle because it's so good. It's actually, it could have been the next Friends or the Big Bang Theory, and I think it just hit the mark. इतने से बच गया वो, because last season was like कब खत्म होगा, but then overall the show is so good. The timing, the mom, the dad, अम्मा अप्पा, उनके जो characters जो है, mom and dad जो play करते हैं, the delivery, जो so good. उनका स्क्रिप्ट इतना अच्छा लिखा है एंड उसमें बार बार दे कीप सेइंग स्नीक अटैक और स्नीक अटैक एंड जस्ट सो फनी so fun. Next up है मसाबा and I honestly think बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया because I do remember how the show ended and I was so disappointed with the show. The only reason I might have seen it, initially I wanted to stay for Masaba, the lady herself जिस पे show है, but then I stayed for Neena Gupta, the mom, because she is that good. Loosely based on their life itself, but I will not watch it again. Season 2 आने के बाद भी I hated how it ended. I didn't like it. I just didn't like it. I don't know. मेरा ही ऐसा feeling है, आपका ऐसा feeling है? Let me know. Next up है medically, क्या है medically yours. Okay. Medically yours. Okay, this is another Maro Mujhe Maro trash show that I saw by Alt Balaji. I see there are good shows by, there may be a good show, एक है that is not trash, but this Medically Yours. Bunch of medical students fall in love, they do so much stuff around and all. I'm like, medical students को इतना time कहाँ होता है? पहले तो medical student don't have time for this bullshit. क्या कर रहे हो आप? पूरा शो ऐसा ही था. क्या कर रहे हो? पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? I'm like literally, I'm like the entire show I watched. क्या कर रहे हो? Mismatch. I'll put this in ठीक ठाक category. Like I genuinely want to put this into रुला दिया पगले category कि actually great show है, but I don't know. Just I think it felt flat for me. Like I wanted more. I genuinely wanted more out of it. I don't know. And you know, you can't blame the actors. The acting was beautiful, but I think it's the storyline, because it's like a book turned into a movie, book turned into a web series, so you can't blame the actors for anything. Acting was really good. So next show has Sweet Magnolia. As long as I remember, it was actually a good show and I might as well rewatch it. I'm gonna put this into a Rula Diya Pagle category because it was actually a good show. Story about these three friends living together. They are grown-ups, of course. They have kids, they are divorced, and they're just going through life. And it was actually a good show. I might as well go back and rewatch it. Never Have I Ever. Mindy Kaling ka show hai ye, and this was an absolute smashing hit. I want to put this in BAP category, but I don't feel like it was that good. Like I can't compare Friends and Big Mouth to Never Have I Ever. Should I? May I? I don't know. Let's put this as Rula Diya Pagle because it was actually that good. The main lady, her acting was really good, and it's a Mindy Kaling show. So let's just put it there. Next up hai, I think it's next in fashion. Tan Frank hai iske andar. You have to put this. I think this was a smashing hit for me. I'm just gonna put this in BAP category because this is the one show that I can rewatch again and again. It is that good. And Tan Frank is me. Next up, Normal People. I think I'll put this in BAP category. Normal People ka funda hai, either you love it or you absolutely hate it. It's a book turned into a TV show and there's so much going on. They are absolutely nothing but normal people. It's like the irony bolenge, normal people unko bola hai, but they're nothing normal. There's nothing normal going on with these people. This couple, ये लोग दो friends होते हैं, they meet in school, they are friends. वो लड़के की mom works as a housekeeper for this girl. The girl is a millionaire, ऐसा बताते हैं, and just the family dynamics of that, the main lead character, female character का family dynamics is so messed up. I think it's just such a great show. It was a huge hit. Book turned into a TV show, as I said, and give it a go. You love it or you hate it. Next up here, what was this? Outer Bank. There's so many people who actually freaking love this. I'll put this in ठीक ठाक category for people who absolutely love this Nicolas Cage की कौन सी थी वो movie, कौन सी थी जिसमें वो treasure hunt पे जाता है. I'll just put this in that kind of category. These teenage kids are on a hunt for gold. The main lead जो character है guy, he उसके dad marine biologist और marine कुछ तो भी रहते हैं, and he dies in search for gold, and then उसका बेटा जो lead character है ये show में, he finds out and he finds the gold and it is left on a cliffhanger. Next up, Patriot Act. I'll just put this as बाप. Do I have to, मेरे को समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है शो के बारे में, शो क्या है. You just have to go check it out. I think there's so many concepts जो इतने अच्छे से प्यार से समझाता है वो, as compared to if you actually Google it. इतने अच्छे से एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझाया है. एंड उसका जो सेटअप है, बैकग्राउंड, जो उसके विजुअल ग्राफिक्स, आई थिंक दे इवन वन कपल ऑफ अवार्ड्स जस्ट फॉर दैट. And it is actually an informative, good show. He breaks down so many interesting, trending concepts and political background scenario, what is going on right now. Next up hai Mirzapur. Okay, I feel like there's so many people who would come after me if I don't put this in BAP category. But show second season was not as good as first season. Don't come for me. Second season was not as good, and this even my mom agrees, because we sat down, we watched it. My mom ka first reaction was this, ki first season was way better than second season, and I genuinely feel like जब वो लोग दो जन बच जाते, वो लड़का और लड़की, बबलू भैया, I guess, I don't know, the girl and the guy, I wanted that girl to have more in the story than the guy. I don't know why. I just put this as रुला दिया पगले, because it is good. It is good, but it is not बाप level good. Next up है Punch Beat. I think I'll put this even I think ठीक ठाक, not even रुला दिया, because the show was okay-ish. All Balaji ka show hai, and I'm here for Priyank Sharma. All of these characters, whoever they are playing, are 27 to 30-year-old people in real life, and they're playing the characters of teenage kids in some elite school. Ekta Kapoor ka show hai, of course, and these are two boxers and their life, and the ladies that come in the school and they fall in love. And I think the selling part for me was how complex the family issues were, and that is why I even considered watching this show in the first place, and it was just so good. It was actually a good show. Next up, Ragnarok. I'll just put this directly in BAP category, because the show is so good. Okay, for people who love Thor, just watch it. And for people who are environmentally conscious, people who, want to save the world, bachana hai, and just overall conscious about what is going on what is going on around global warming wise, sustainability, global warming mixed with Thor, you get Ragnarok, the show that nailed it. Season 2 aa raha hai. Good versus evil, just so good. It's really that good. Next up, Scam 1992. Again, great show. Acting, हर एक कैरेक्टर के जो रोल एक्टिंग किए हैं एक्टर्स जो है वो शो में, they are all proper theatre artists from the Gujarati industry, and my mom loved it. I loved it. It was overall an amazing plot line, script, सब कुछ बढ़िया था. Loved it. Madam CJ Walker का है, self-made. I'll put this even in BAP category because I absolutely loved it. I'll sit down, if you give me the show right now to rewatch it, I'll rewatch it because the show is actually that good. Madam CJ Walker की कहानी है ये, and you wanna check it out. It's really good. All I can say, Sense8 again. बाप कैटेगरी. ये जितने भी शो है मैंने यही साल देखे, 2020 में ही देखे हैं. And there are shows that I've already watched it when they were released, like Sense8 कुछ 2018 का शो है, but I again rewatched it because the show is that good and I've considered even those. So Sense8, I think if there's one show जो मैं आपको blindly देखने को बोलूँगी without reading कि स्टोरी एक्चुअली है क्या, इट वुड बी Sense8. जस्ट गो वॉच इट. I think you'll understand it as you watch it. Just follow the plot line. You'll love it. I loved it. Every second of it is so good. Next up here, Sex Education, रुला दिया पगले. It's really good. Two people in school, friends, they start advising people about sex and all of the taboos around it, and therapy deta hai ye kid, and it's just funny, hilarious, informative, really good, emotional. Actually, रुला दिया पगले. Next up is Sharp Objects. I have been a huge fan of the book Gillian Flynn, and her book Sharp Object had been phenomenal, beautiful, and उन्होंने ये adapt किया TV show में. BBC का I think TV show था ये. Again, it's so good, so good. Next up, She. I think I'll put this in ठीक ठाक category. It was actually that good. Hey, किसी ने दरवाजा खोल दिया. Interesting. It is She, as I said, is actually Tic Tac show. I think it was a very bold move on Netflix India's part to have a show like this, where this is like वो हवलदार होती है वो lady and she goes undercover as a prostitute, and I don't know if I should be offended or if I'm not, but like I'll just put this under Tic Tac category. It was an effort, but overall it was a very okay show for me. Next up here, Snowpiercer. Oh god, I think I'll even put this under Theek Thaak category because I loved the movie more than this show. Snowpiercer is actually really good, but I loved the movie over the show. Next up here, somebody feed Phil. Loved it. He just goes to different cities and tries out amazing food, and he's cute. This old 40-50-year-old guy is cute, he's funny, he's hilarious. Watch it. Next up here, Spinning Out. Next up is Spinning Out. Absolutely loved it. I think I'll put this in BAP category because I do want to go back and rewatch it. It's that good. Next up, Stargirl. I think this was DC Comics का है ये Stargirl. Justice League, basically they are forming a new society, Justice League Society, and सब लोग मर जाते हैं. Now this woman comes up and she holds the Justice League. Stargirl का वो जो wand होता है, I don't know. She holds that, and so she is the one now, and now she is forming her own Justice League team, and just so good. Loved every second of it. Not too long, not too short. Great. Sugar Rush. I'll put this as again रुला दिया पगले. This is an annual traditional show जो हर Christmas में आता है. They make different kind of cupcakes and cakes and just so good. Next up है summertime. I think I'll put this as बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया, because honestly I could not bear to watch it 1 second longer. I can't do that. The Order. I think it's the same. 2 season आए हैं इसके. And it's just the same. बस कीजिए बहुत. I could not bear to watch more of it. If you love magical society, I think you will love this. I might swing this between Theek Thaak and Bas Kijiye. I might put this as Theek Thaak. It was not that bad, but it was not that good. I'll go back and rewatch it. Honestly, Queen's Gambit. Of course, I had to put the show. The show goes in the BAP category. So good. It is so good. I watched it like 4 times now. It's that good. Next up here, Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. I think this is actually a good show. I'll put this in Theek Thaak category because it actually अच्छा show है, and you get to learn different ways to fold things and all that. If you're into it, I think you'll love it. If not at all for you. I loved the show. ठीक ठाक है, अच्छा है. It's just, I think what intrigued me the most in this category was the amount of junk these American people have in their house. There was like literally वो बेड पे कपड़े रखती है, उसका बेड पे जो कपड़े का पाइल होता है वो सीलिंग तक इतने कपड़े होते हैं उनके पास. इट्स जस्ट रिडिकुलस द अमाउंट ऑफ क्लोथ्स and storage they have. Just for the sake of that is why I saw it, and it was, oh my god. Next up है Tiny Pretty Things. Tiny Pretty Things, I think I'll just put it as बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया, because there's like it was a drag, absolutely drag. The concept is good, really good. Pretty Little Liars meets गॉसिप गर्ल बोलूँगी मैं, प्रीटी लिटिल लायर्स मीट गॉसिप गर्ल, बिकॉज ये बैले स्कूल होता है, किड्स लर्न टू गो टू बैले स्कूल. एलीट स्कूल होता है, मर्डर हो जाता है, नोबडी नोज मर्डर किसने किया है, एंड पीपल ट्राई एंड फिगर आउट मर्डर कैसे होता है, एंड जस्ट दैट्स इट, somebody dies and people are trying to figure out. No, I wasted so much of my time, like 10 या 13 episodes है एक घंटे के. I can't do this to myself. नेक्स्ट अप है टू हॉट टू हैंडल. ये एक ऐसा ट्रैश शो है जो मैं नहीं देख सकती. येट आई टॉर्चर्ड माई सेल्फ थ्रू इट बिकॉज इट वॉज जंक ट्रैश बोलेंगे, like keeping up with the Kardashians, where you actually want to see it but you're not actually getting anything out of it. Just trash. Umbrella Academy, I think it's swinging between Rula Diya Pagle and Theek Thaak. I don't know, I'll just put it as Theek Thaak because I did not like this season, current season, as much as... No, actually last season was trash, this season was actually good. So I'll put this in Theek Thaak for now, I'm not sure. Next up hai Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt. Love the show. I think there are few shows like Friends, Big Bang Theory, और क्या डाला है मैंने, Four More Shots, और just Patriot Act और Ragnarok, या ऐसे सेल्फ मेड मैडम CJ Walker, ये शोज ऐसे जो आप बैकग्राउंड में देख सकते हो. एंड दिस आई पुट दैट exactly in that category. Kim's Convenience, I put Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt in Rula Diya Pagle category because it was actually good. I even watched the Christmas edition of the show, the playable edition, where you get to select options कि भाई हाँ इसके बाद ये करना है, इसके बाद किम ने ये करना चाहिए, किमी ने ये करना चाहिए. I actually played that game as well. Utopia. The funny thing is that the show got cancelled despite the fact that I actually liked the show. Gillian Flynn direct किया था, which was shocking fact for me when I was researching into the show. And Utopia is a scary thriller. Show got cancelled after one season by Amazon, and that's about it. So it's a Tic Tac show for me. Next up hai Vampires. I wasted my time watching this because I am a fan of Vampire Diaries, and I thought maybe we've not seen some high fantasy or fantasy shows lately, and so I watched this and waste of my time. मत देखो मर जाओ पर मत देखो. Okay, next up Young Sheldon. Love this. Rula Diya Pagle, like it's good show. Shawn Mendes, one documentary of the year you wanna watch. Shawn Mendes ka dekho because it was so good. I'll put this in BAP category because it was actually that good. Like really good. I did not expect it. Like I genuinely did not expect it would turn out to be good. Next up hai The Rain. I'll put this in बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया. For the people who love dystopia genre, dystopia basically जॉनरा है कि जहाँ पे सब दुनिया तबाह हो जाती है, या दुनिया 7 या 8 पार्ट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाती है. सो द रेन इज अबाउट दैट. बारिश गिरती है एक दिन, वो केमिकल होते हैं बारिश में, पूरी दुनिया मर जाती है, एंड देन दी 7 kids survive, and then they come to know there is life beyond the wall, and then they try to go through the wall. But the second season was so trash, I could not do it. सूट्स को मैंने बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया कैटेगरी में डाला है, एंड इट्स जस्ट आफ्टर 6-7 सीजन इट्स देयर सो मेनी पीपल हु लव द शो. आई एम सॉरी अगर आप यू आर वन ऑफ द ह्यूज फैन ऑफ हार्वी. आई एम टू, बट जस्ट इट becomes at one point becomes so repetitive. We know case आएगा, either he'll win or he'll lose, and then I think he ends up with Donna, and that's about it. And just I think at one point it just bores me is what I will say to you guys. The Good Place, again बस कीजिए बहुत हो गया. I don't think I can watch after first season. I was like okay ये repetitive हो ही रहा है, and it's the same thing all over again. I could not watch it. I just could not watch it. I think I missed out Sherlock, and I think I'll put that in Rula Diya Pagle category because Sherlock is that good. I ended up watching Enola Holmes, and I had to watch Sherlock. It was so good. All right. Don't come for me. Leave me your favorite shows of the year 2020 in the comment section. Let's hear out. Let's talk through. मिलती हूँ next video में. Bye.